Hi, my name is Cindy Cisneros. I'm a creativity coach, and you have found Business Basics for Artists, where we go over planning, marketing, and sales strategies to help you get your art from you to the people who want to buy it. So today we're going to talk about sales model, and there's a couple of important reasons why you want to have a sales model, but the main reason is it's going to be matching up the planning that you did and the marketing that you did so that you can talk to the people that are going to be purchasing your art in a way that matches that type of planning. And really what you're going to want in your sales model are specific stages that you're going to want to move the people that want to buy your art through. And it's really a way to kind of organize the conversations and interactions that you have with the people that are your potential customers, buyers, consumers, so on. So essentially, as you grow your audience, you grow your following, you grow your buyers, you're able to kind of keep track and organize who you're talking to about what and where they are in their conversations and interacting with you in terms of your sales process. So this is a short kind of introductory video to the full tutorial on putting together your sales model. So if this sounds like something that is where you're at in your art business and would benefit you, then hop on over to the full tutorial. And if you're not already subscribed to the Business Basics for Artists course, it's a free course for artists. And whenever you're watching my content, if you heard that, there's lots of animals in my house, and that was my parrot. You can hear the parrot. You might hear one of the dogs sneezing. We're all on allergy meds right now, so apologies in advance. But if you're not already subscribed to the Business Basics for Artists, it's a free course that has video tutorials, written tutorials, templates to download to teach you everything that you need to get started getting your art from you out to the people that want to buy it. So I'm gonna put, if you're looking at this on YouTube, if you're looking at this on social, the link is nearby. Look around, grab that so that you can get all of the information together in one place and get your art out into the world.